Hey everybody, I just wanted to let you know how the Peak Design packing cubes, Peak Design packing cubes fit inside my Tom Bihn Aeronaut 30. I just got these packing cubes, and because people recommended them in the group, I thought I would test them out. Now I filled this up with stuff that I might take on a trip. In this side pocket over here, I just have my toiletry kit to make sure it fits. This is just the Osprey toiletry kit, packed pretty big. In this side pocket, what I did was I made sure I could fit just a standard swell size water bottle. And then here I have one of the smaller size packing cubes, and I filled it pretty big just with a bunch of laundry. These are really huge cubes, but it does fit in here really well. It got pretty snug. So that's that. And then in the middle, I just packed, this is a 13-inch MacBook Air in a 13D cache. And below that is a full one of the medium-sized packing cubes. It's pretty tall and it fills up the space pretty well, but as you can see there, it fit. So I'm just gonna put this back so you can see how it looks. And not too much room above it, but still enough to fit that and have it zip really easy. And then I can just shove this guy in the side, stick water bottle on top. This is a bit tight to close, but the bag can handle it. And then I still have this end pocket for my toiletries and whatever else I want. So I hope this was useful, and have a good day.